Want to see a 7.5-inch lift on a Chevy Silverado 2500 HD? Roll the clip. I've complained in the past about cheap lift kits and like leveling kits, and it's tearing up ball joints and tie rods and CV shafts and whatnot. Here's a lift kit done right by Rough Country. Check it. Rough Country. You get the wheel spacers. You've got the drop down steering knuckle, the shocks, the bumper stop, the torsion bars, and here we go. RC Rough Country. Got the drop down right here. You can see it. The hardware, the spacers for the sway bar, link bushings. This is a quality kit that's not gonna have you tearing up your CV axle. And I don't even think they went with high articulation or heavy duty CV axle there. It looks like stock to me. Could be wrong. And we got, this is the stock brake line. You can see where the old metal clasp used to be right there where there was rust that like to pinch the brake hoses when they swell. It's got a little loop for your wheel speed sensor. There's your Rough Country drop down for your torsion bars there. It's decked out. You got your Rough Country shocks, your blocks, your lift. And these tires are, 325, 65, 18. Dude bought this with the lift kit on, and you could see the previous owner cut the bumper to fit the big tires under there. He put on the fender flares and the mud flaps, but he was hitting the mud flaps and he wanted to go a little bit lower. So we just put on these Mickey Thompson Baja Legend EXPs for him. Got we went down to 305, 60, 18. So we won't get no rub anywhere. So we got an off-roading or mudding tire, but it has a smoother face. It'll still get plenty of grip, got the sidewall protectors, whereas these were those mudding tires with the big spike, but you can see they're about worn down. That would make a lot of road noise. These Mickey Thompsons will be a lot quieter for them. And those Mickey Thompsons were only available in load range F. These are load range E. Stock size for this truck is like 265 something, I think. 265, 70, 17 load range E on this 2500 HD. A lot of times what we see come in here is those cheap kits or a leveling click kit and some blocks in the back to lift it up or something. This is a lift kit done right. Those people who put the cheap kits on, the quick kits, the leveling kits, it's not too long before I see them having to put new ball joints in and CV axles tear apart. If you are going to go cheap, at least put the high articulation CV axles in and you might get by. It's getting dark. 2 more tires. Call it a day. Follow up. Oh, we're playing video games here at my house. Say hi, Bill.
What's up, guys?
That's my brother. If anybody plays Diablo 4, hit us up.
Good season.
But anyways, just talked to the guy. Oh, get yourself a sleeping hammock too. Those are amazing. Anyways, I wanted feedback on those Mickey Thompsons. I've never sold any Mickey Thompson load range Fs or whatever, and he said they're smooth as silk compared to those other tires that were on there. What were they? Goodyear Duratrac, something. Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac. He said compared to those, it's smooth as silk, quiet on the road. He's happy with them. What I think happened was the previous owner put those big tires on. He did not need to cut the bumper, and then he was tired of, whatever, rubbing or something. I don't know, and he ended up installing that lift kit. So with the lift kit, he didn't need to cut his bumper. And the guy I put those tires on, we did a bunch of other stuff to that truck. He said the one thing he would change is go up to 315. I can't remember what size we ended up calculating out. Like, I think it was 305, 70, 18. So if he gets another set, he wants a little bit bigger. But even that size, when you're at full turn, you still hit the mud flaps. So just a little information for anybody thinking about putting on a 7.5-inch lift on their Chevy Silverado, so you can kind of like see what it looks like and stuff. Oh yeah, props to the alignment guys. Whoever did that lift and then got it aligned. For those type of tires, the wear was incredibly smooth. So whoever did that alignment, awesome job.